There is a question that is in every software engineer's mind. Will AI render programmers obsolete? Over the next few minutes, we'll explore the concerns, debunk myths, and unlock exciting possibilities for the future of both AI and programming. There's no denying AI's presence. From self-driving cars to medical diagnosis, its impact is undeniable. Programming hasn't been spared. Tools like GitHub Copilot and Tabnine are already assisting programmers with code completion and bug detection. But to what level will future programming be done by AI? Will all the jobs disappear, or will there be room for programmers? Currently, AI has excelled in writing code, but not developing a software. In software development, there are several groups of developers needed, such as back-end, front-end, and database managers, among others. Although AI can do programming, the current models are still limited when it comes to full-scale software development. The current models, and probably future models, will still fall short. Unless we can develop artificial general intelligence. Without artificial general intelligence, models will experience limitations in doing full-scale software development because 1. Limited creativity. AI excels at automation and pattern recognition, but programming requires human ingenuity, devising innovative solutions, understanding complex problems, and adapting to unforeseen circumstances are areas where AI currently struggles. 2. Data dependent. AI is only as good as the training data. Biased or incomplete data can lead to flawed or even harmful code. Human judgment remains crucial in ensuring the quality and ethics of the code produced. Instead of fearing AI as a replacement, let's explore its potential as a collaborator. Imagine AI handling the mundane tasks, generating boilerplate code, catching common bugs early, and optimizing existing code for efficiency. This would free up programmers to focus on conceptualizing innovative solutions, designing user-centric interfaces, ensuring the ethical implications of software. Unless we have truly artificial general intelligence models, these tasks are going to remain in the hands of developers. Remember that AI can write code, but not yet develop a full-scale software system. The rise of AI presents an exciting evolution, not a revolution. In the programming world, it's a paradigm shift towards collaborative development, humans and AI working together, leveraging their unique strengths. Increased efficiency. AI automates repetitive tasks, freeing up human time for creative problem-solving. Enhanced innovation, combining human ingenuity with AI's computational power to unlock new possibilities. However, we cannot ignore the ethical considerations that come with AI adoption. Bias in the data can lead to discriminatory algorithms. Over-reliance on AI can lead to lack of critical thinking skills in programmers. The potential for misuse of AI-powered code raises security and privacy concerns. Addressing these concerns proactively is crucial for ensuring a responsible and ethical future of AI in programming. All I can say is the future of programming is not predetermined. It's shaped by our choices. We should embrace AI and ensure maximum productivity as developers, but not over-rely on AI. Even though current and future models will get better, that human touch is still needed in development. That creativity, that understanding of human needs to know which product would work better is still in our hands. What are your thoughts on the future of AI and programming? Share your insights in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for joining the great debate. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking AI talks. And until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay innovative.